What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best camping stoves backpacking of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Number 1. Ohuhu Store Camping Stove. The Ohuhu Camp Stove is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, designed for camping, backpacking, hiking, and survival situations. Weighing just 0.98 pounds, this compact and portable stove is perfect for adventurers who need a reliable cooking solution on the go. Its lightweight design means it can easily fit in your gear bag, the back of your car, or even your backpack, making it an excellent companion for camping trips, picnics, and emergency use. Built from durable stainless steel, the Ohuhu stove is not only robust but also highly stable, capable of supporting various pots and pans. Whether you're boiling water, brewing coffee, or cooking a full meal, this stove can handle the heat and weight with ease. Its construction ensures it can endure the wear and tear of outdoor activities while providing a sturdy platform for cooking. Number 2. Pocket Rocket 2 Stove MSR Store. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 stove is an essential piece of gear for minimalist adventurers who prioritize ultralight and compact equipment. Weighing just 2.6 ounces and folding down to a mere 2 by 2 by 3 inches, this stove is perfect for backpacking, hiking, trekking, camping, and global travel. Its lightweight design makes it easy to pack and carry, while its impressive performance makes outdoor cooking quick and convenient. The Pocket Rocket 2 can boil 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, making it an efficient choice for preparing meals and drinks on the trail. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or cooking dinner after a long day of hiking, the stove's adjustable flame allows for versatile cooking. You can easily control the flame from a simmer to a rolling boil, giving you the flexibility for more gourmet-style cooking, even in the wilderness. Number 3. SOTO Windmaster Stove with 4 Flex Canister. The SOTO Windmaster Stove with 4 Flex is the ultimate canister stove for outdoor enthusiasts facing challenging weather conditions. Specifically designed for windy environments, this stove's micro-regulator valve system ensures consistent performance, even in gusty conditions, making it ideal for camping, backpacking, and high-altitude adventures. The Windmaster is compatible with gas mixtures such as butane, isobutane, and propane, but cannot be used with 100% propane, as this would compromise its performance and safety. Weighing just 67 grams, 2.3 ounces, the Windmaster is both ultralight and shock-resistant, thanks to its unique design and stealth igniter installed in the burner post. This feature improves ignition reliability and protects the stove from potential breakage, making it perfect for rugged use. The compact design is easy to pack, adding minimal weight to your gear without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System. The Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking an efficient and portable cooking solution. Designed with industry-leading heat exchange technology, this stove system minimizes wind impact and reduces boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional backpacking stoves. Whether you're hiking, trekking, fishing, or preparing for emergency situations, the Fire Maple stove ensures fast and reliable cooking in the wilderness. Weighing only 18 ounces, this stove system is both compact and lightweight. All components, including the stove, bowl, and a fuel canister, not included, fit neatly inside the 1-liter cooking pot, making it a perfect space-saving solution for those packing light. It is compatible with most fuel canisters, though it is not compatible with Coleman canisters. Number 5. REDCAMP Mini Alcohol Stove for Backpacking. The REDCAMP Mini Alcohol Stove is a lightweight and portable solution for backpacking, camping, and hiking. Weighing only 5 ounces, 145 grams, this brass spirit burner with an aluminum stand is perfect for outdoor adventurers looking to minimize weight without sacrificing performance. The stove comes with a convenient velvet bag, making it easy to carry and store in your rucksack, whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip or a longer backpacking excursion. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy and brass, the REDCAMP stove is designed for stability and reliability. The aluminum stove stand features a built-in windscreen, ensuring that the stove stays stable and continues to burn efficiently even in breezy conditions. It can support a wide variety of pots and pans, making it versatile enough for any outdoor cooking needs. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.